Here we are again in another video about RuneScape blooming Peru egg hunt event. In this video we're gonna show all location for golden eggs. Before we jump in, don't forget to sub and like the video, it really helps the channel out. Also, leave us a hi in comments, or if happens to find a secret location we didn't mention in the video, definitely let us know so we can all find it together. Ready to hunt? Let's go! Sit back, relax, and get your drink. Welcome back again to Book's Pixel Playground.